If I'm selling my house to you, do I have to make repairs? Hi, I'm Ryan with My Tennessee Home Solutions, and a lot of sellers ask me if they need to make repairs as part of the sales process. The great thing about selling to a cash buyer like My Tennessee Home Solutions is that no repairs need to be made as part of the process. We buy homes as is, where is, no matter if it's a cosmetic repair or a full renovation that needs to happen. We'll take care of that on our end. So if you are somebody that has a house that needs repairs or a clean out, give us a call at My Tennessee Home Solutions and let us take care of that for you.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solutions.